السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. بسم الله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده. Respected elders and my dear audience, today we are continuing our verse on Fathul Mu'in. I think you all should know about Fathul Mu'in. Fathul Mu'in is written by a famous Imam Zainuddin Makhdoom As-Sa'ir, who is a grandson of Abdullah radiallahu anhu, who is the son of Abu Bakr al-Khalifatul Ula, the first Khalifa in the world, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. In each era, each Muslim scholars has written their own kitabs, their own books regarding on Islamic jurisprudence, regarding on tasawwuf, regarding on aqidah, all things. They had written kitabs in every aspects of the life. Like that, Imam Zainuddin Makhdoom As-Sa'ir radiallahu anhu has written this kitab named Fathul Mu'in from Fathul Jawad and Al-Imdad. Let's go straight ahead to our topic. Faslun fi Salatil Jama'a. Bab of Salatul Jama'a means a part of the congregational prayer. Washuri'at bil Madina. The congregational prayer was made compulsory from Medina, because you all know that in Makkah the praying of gathering for a specific Islamic amal, Islamic doing was not allowed in Makkah, because if anyone has done it in Makkah, they will be punished, or they will be punished severely, or even they will cost their lives for doing this publicly, for doing the jama'as publicly. So that is the hikmah of Jama'a, the congregation being made compulsory in Medina. Wa aqalluha imamu wa ma'mumun. The shortest path, the shortest surah, shortest way of Jama'a is Imam and Ma'mum. And wahiya fil Jum'a. The prediction is coming in last. Wahiya fil Jum'a, in Jum'a, thumma fi subahiha, thumma subah, thumma al-isha, thumma al-asr, thumma al-dhuhr, thumma al-maghrib aflal. The most aflal prayer in Jama'a, the most aflal is praying in Salatul Jum'a, in the Friday prayer. And thumma fi subhiha, and after that the subh of the Friday, and thumma al-isha, then asr, thumma al-dhuhr, then dhuhr, thumma al-maghrib aflal. Ma'arib aflal yani all people goes to work and they will return from work in the time of Ma'arib. That time all can participate for the Ma'arib Jama'a. That's so it's the last one here. Salatul Jama'ati fi ada'in maktubatin. Salatul Jama'a fi ada'in maktubatin. Yani Salatul Jama'a fi ada'in maktubatin la jum'atin sunnatun mu'akkada. In 5 written compulsory prayers, except Jum'ah, Salatul Jama'a, the congregational prayer is a strong sunnah. There will be a question, why Jum'ah is avoided from here? The answer for it is, in Jum'ah, Salatul Jama'a, the congregational prayer is shart, is compulsory. It could not be avoided. So, lil khabaril muttafaqi ilayhi, because there is a khabarul muttafaq, yani a hadith which the both imams of the hadith, the most beloved imams of hadith, Imam Bukhari radiallahu anhu and Imam Muslim radiallahu anhu, has agreed on it. Salatul Jama'ati afdalu min Salatil Fadhi bi 27 daraja. Salatul Jama'a is more better, the congregational prayer is more better than praying alone by 27 times. وَالْأَفْضَلِيَّةُ تَقْتَضِي النَّدْبِيَّةَ فَقَطْ. Here the afdaliyya, the best means that's only for sunnah, not compulsory. وحكمة 27 أن فيها فوائد تزيد على صلاة الفرض بنحو ذلك. The hikmah, the importance of 27 is there are 27 things more than 27 things will get more than more in prayer of Jama'ah than praying alone. For more reference, you can prefer Iyanatul Talibin for 27 type of things. I am concluding my words. So, in brief, today you studied about Jama'ah, and you should all times ta'amal, you should bring Jama'ah in 5 prayers into your life. That is the most thing we should do. That is the most best thing we should do according to today's class. Inshallah, may Allah help us. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
ഇതോടുകൂടെ ഈ മത്സരം ഇവിടെ സമാപിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. വിധി നിർണയിച്ച വിധികർത്ത